Synthesia AI Review. Watch before using. Most people think Synthesia is just another video generator, but the surprising truth is that it can completely replace cameras, studios, and on-screen presenters if you use it correctly. Synthesia is an artificial intelligence video platform that lets you create professional-looking videos using realistic AI avatars. Instead of recording yourself, you simply type your script, choose an avatar, select a voice, and your video is generated in minutes. Companies use it for training, marketing, onboarding, and internal communication. Here is what makes Synthesia powerful. You can create videos in over 100 languages. You can change your message instantly without re-recording. And you can keep your brand style consistent across every video. But most people get this wrong. They think Synthesia automatically makes great videos. In reality, your results depend heavily on your script quality. If your script is flat or confusing, your video will feel flat too. The tool does not fix weak messaging. Another thing to know is pricing. Synthesia is not cheap. Plans are designed mainly for businesses, not casual creators. You pay for video minutes, avatars, and team features. If you only need 1 or 2 videos per year, it may not be cost-effective. Where Synthesia shines is speed. A training video that once took days to film can now be created in under an hour. Companies report saving thousands of dollars on production costs. Synthesia is best for businesses, educators, and content teams that need frequent updates, multilingual content, and fast turnaround times. The surprising truth is this: Synthesia is not a magic shortcut. It is a powerful production engine. If your message is clear, it can multiply your reach. Subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews that help you work smarter.